In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the water-soluble stabiliser. Fill the sink with warm water and place your jumper under the running tap. You will notice that the stabiliser starts to disappear in the water. Give it a swirl around, making sure all of the jumper is covered in water. Wring it out and take it to your washing machine. Place your jumper inside. I set mine to a baby cycle on 30 degrees. I use a supermarket brand Delicate's detergent and a small amount of fabric softener. I leave the machine to do its job and then lay it flat to dry. Carefully press with an iron and your jumper is now ready to be worn, or you can add some leaves if you haven't already.